Hey, it's Max from Simply Xander Bros, and this is our first video of our new Premiere Pro playlist. Today, I'm talking about how you can create your first project in under 100 seconds. If this sounds interesting to you, let's hop right into it. At first, you want to click New Project. Now a new window will pop up on your screen where you have several settings. In the line name, you can type in the name of your project. Underneath, you can choose where to store your project. In the General folder, you can decide whether you want to render with or without GPU support. In the middle, you can find your video settings. I would choose the option timecode. For your audio, you should stay with the setting Audio Samples, and for capture, it depends on the footage you're using. HDV is in a 16:9 ratio. DV is originally in 4:3. I will choose HDV. To go on, you want to choose the first setting in the color management section. In the next folder, the scratch disks, it depends on your favors and what type of storage you're using. If you have a fast SSD, you should select Same as the project. That means all these things get stored in the same folder as you chose already in the beginning. In the ingest settings, we want to maintain the given settings, but I'll come back to this in a later upcoming video, so stay tuned. Now, just press OK and you're done creating your first Premiere Pro project. You've done a good job. Please do us a favor and hit the like button if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you next time.